Spatial computing, a paradigm shift blending digital content with the physical world, has emerged as the next frontier in human-computer interaction. At its forefront is Apple Vision Pro, a $3,499 mixed reality headset unveiled in June 2023, designed to revolutionize industries, redefine productivity, and reimagine entertainment. This script explores the technical marvel of Vision Pro, its transformative applications, critical challenges, and the future it heralds for spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro integrates cutting-edge components. Dual-chip architecture combines the M2 chip for visionOS and graphics with the R1 chip, processing sensor data in 12 milliseconds, 8 times faster than a blink. 23 million pixel micro OLED displays. Each eye displays more pixels than a 4K TV, enabling crystal-clear visuals. Advanced sensors and cameras. 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones enable real-time 3D mapping, hand tracking, and environmental awareness. Optic ID, iris-based authentication enhances security, with data encrypted locally on the device. Built on macOS, iOS, and iPadOS foundations, visionOS introduces intuitive controls. Eye tracking, hand gestures like pinch, swipe, and voice commands replace traditional inputs. Infinite workspace apps float in 3D space, resizable and repositionable beyond physical screen limits. Dynamic environments such as Joshua Tree National Park or immersive theaters, reduce clutter and enhance focus. Custom aluminum frame, contoured to fit diverse face shapes, paired with modular light seals and interchangeable headbands. Battery life. Up to 2 hours of general use, with extended time possible via wired connection. Custom workspaces, SAP Analytics Cloud and Microsoft 365 leverage Vision Pro's Infinite Canvas for data visualization and multitasking. 3D collaboration. Porsche's Race Engineer app delivers real-time car diagnostics during live races, while NVIDIA Omniverse streams engineering simulations. Training and simulation. KLM's Engine Shop app trains technicians via step-by-step 3D overlays, reducing errors by 40%. Medical training. Surgeons visualize complex procedures in 3D. Therapists create immersive environments for mental health treatment. Classroom innovation. Students interact with historical events or molecular structures in immersive spatial environments, enhancing engagement. Virtual showrooms. Lowe's Style Studio lets customers design kitchens in augmented reality. Immersive media. Apple's 180-degree immersive video transports users to concerts and nature experiences. At $3,499, the Apple Vision Pro targets enterprises and affluent early adopters, making it less accessible to mainstream users. Analysts suggest that a more affordable Vision Pro Lite model, priced around $1,500, could help broaden its appeal. Vision Pro lacks seamless iPhone and iPad synergy, missing opportunities for cross-device workflows, like using an iPhone as a controller. visionOS 3, expected at WWDC 2025, may introduce AI-driven workflows, expanded environments, and cross-platform UI redesigns. Future Siri upgrades could enable contextual assistance within spatial workflows. An affordable model, a plastic frame Vision Pro Lite at $1,500, could democratize access. Additionally, lightweight AR glasses running visionOS may complement the headset, fostering a halo effect. Striver Labs is developing VR training modules for industries like retail and manufacturing. Apple's Enterprise Spatial Design Lab offers hands-on support for businesses building custom apps. Blackmagic's $29,000 camera aims to professionalize immersive content production. Apple TV Plus integration could see exclusive spatial content, like live sports and concerts, driving adoption. Apple Vision Pro is not a finished product but a visionary prototype. It exemplifies spatial computing's potential while exposing its infancy. For enterprises, it's a tool for innovation. For consumers, a glimpse into a blended digital-physical future. Success hinges on affordability, app diversity, and societal adaptation. As Tim Cook declared, this is the beginning of a new era, one where screens dissolve and imagination becomes